Hello and welcome to the demonstration of the powerful features of the MolCube PDB Reader API features. The PDB Reader is a solution that automatically corrects and models complex protein structure files to make them simulation-ready. Today, I'll be showcasing two key scenarios. First, how to process a structure directly from the online RCSB database, and second, how to process a local PDB file that you provide. The Jupyter script for the PDB Reader is available on GitHub. Please find the link in the description. Let's get started. First, it is necessary to install the MolCube Python package required to use the API. The pip install command is used to install the latest version. After the package is installed, the next step is to connect to the API server and authenticate. The authenticate function is called with your own account credentials to log in. For security, it is recommended to store the actual username and password in a separate file and load them with the %run command. Once authentication is complete, a directory is created to store the results. The first scenario uses a PDB from the RCSB database, targeting the PDB ID 6x1a. A new project is created with Create Project, and the PDB structure is read using Read PDB from RCSB. Key information such as ligands is automatically analyzed during this process. Modeling options are then configured to apply the OpenFF force field to the analyzed ligand information. Finally, Model PDB is executed to perform the modeling, and the final result is saved using Download PDB. The second scenario uses a custom PDB file. The Upload PDB function is used to upload the file to the server by passing its local path. The subsequent process is identical to the previous scenario. Ligand information is analyzed, and this time options are set to apply the GAF force field. The script concludes by running the modeling job and downloading the result file. All jobs executed via the API can also be monitored on the MolCube web dashboard. If you log into the dashboard, you can see that the RCSB PDB test and custom PDB test projects we just created with the API are listed. From here, you can track the job status or visually inspect the results and download the project files.